In this Electude video tutorial, you will learn how to build your own custom engine simulator fault. To get started, go to the Modules tab from the top menu bar. Then from the left-hand menu, select Default by Subject and enter the Electude Simulator folder, followed by selecting a subfolder where your new fault will be stored. Next, from the top center of the page, click the plus to create your own DIY module. For module type, click the drop-down and select Simulation. Under Title, name your simulation. Then click Add to confirm the creation of the new module. Next, click the drop-down and select one of the fault scenarios. Record the vehicle concern in the space provided. This information will display on the work order. By default, all tools are made available. To limit choices, uncheck the box next to the tool name. Automatic evaluation can be switched off by selecting No. Click OK to save. Below the Start Module button, teachers can view the location of electrical faults from the wiring diagram. To view the fault scenario, click the Start button. The fault will open to the work order specifying the vehicle concern. When you're finished with the review, exit the module by clicking the arrow in the upper right-hand corner. This will return you to the previous Start screen. The fault is now ready to be assigned to students.